So hi, we are going to talk about Happiest Mind Technology, an IT firm that is based out of Bangalore. But before talking about this IPO, I'm going to share some data which might actually make you interested to go ahead and buy this IPO. On the 13th of July 2020, Sundar Pichai, who is the CEO of Google, came and announced that Google is going to do $10 billion investment in digital India. And it was not too late when the CEO of Infosys came out and said that digital will soon cross 50% of Infosys revenue. Now these two data is extremely attractive for all of us to go ahead and think of what digital investments or digital space of business can do to our portfolios. Recently, Infosys came out with extremely good results, and if you can check out the results, it shows that Infosys did extremely well because of their digital penetration across America, across North America, and a bit of parts in Australia as well. So it is an undisputed fact that COVID has changed the way that business has been carried out in almost all the industries. Zoom coming in, all the digital technologies coming in, the digital space of the business looks really lucrative, and that is when this IPO comes in. Happiest Minds Limited, which is based out of Bangalore, opens the IPO today as we speak, that is on 7/9/2020, and it closes on 9/9/2020. Now, one of the best things about this company is that this draws over 97% of revenue through digital IT services. The price band for this IPO is 165 rupees to 166 rupees. The minimum allotment that you can take on this IPO is 90 shares, which means that if you're taking 90 shares, you might have to spend somewhere around 15,000 rupees to buy one lot into this IPO. That is going to be the bare minimum investment that you have to do in this particular IPO. And another important date you have to remember is going to be the listing date, and that is September 17th. The IPO intended to generate 700 crores of equity in the company, but before that we have to realize that already this company has raised around 300 crores of equity from the government of Singapore, Goldman Sachs and Kuwait Investment Authority. Ashok Soota is the executive chairman of Happiest Minds Technologies. Ashok is a very eminent personality in the Indian IT as an entrepreneur who served more than 30 years in the IT industries. He is a serial entrepreneur and is an executive chairman and co-founder of Happiest Minds Technology. Ashok was also a founding chairman and managing director of Mindtree Limited. He was also a vice chairman of Wipro Limited. Happiest Minds Technologies was founded in 2011. The company has global presence in countries like UK, US, Australia, Canada and the Middle East. The key competitors of Happiest Minds Technology will be companies such as EPAM, Endwa and Globant as its competitors. If you have to look at the geographic revenue of this company, it earns 12% from India, 78% from Americas and 7% from the UK and 3% from the rest of the world. So it predominantly depends on American market in terms of geographic revenue. Look at the company's business vertical revenue. EduTech contributes to the highest revenue percentage in terms of revenue generation, that is 21.3%. Then comes high tech, then comes banking and financial services, then comes media and travel, then retail, industrial, manufacturing and the others. So predominantly this company is shifting its gear towards digital platform in edutech and high tech along with banking and financial services. That seem to be the most dominating area as far as revenue is concerned for this particular company. Important thing as a shareholder when you're going to buy into this company, you have to note is 64.52% of the entire shareholding pattern is in the hand of promoter, that is Ashok Soota, and that could be one of the most critical things that you have to look at in here. Now let us assume that Happiest Mind IPO is going to leave you happy. If you find this video is interesting, useful as informative, please go ahead and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click the bell button so that you will not miss any of our future videos. So with that note, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Goodbye.